Eat dinner 3 hours before the bed, preferably by 7 p.m. is an important mantra for diet loss.
And ask them to choose their own 10 hours that fits their lifestyle and eat everything that they want within that 10 hours. What happens? So in the first group of people, we brought some people who are overweight and they were eating for 15 hours. We asked them to choose their 10 hours. They did that for 16 weeks. And after 16 weeks, they weighed less, and then we let them go free. After 1 year, we brought them back to the lab. Surprisingly, they still maintained their lost body weight. And when we asked them, why did you stick to this habit? It was not the body weight loss that they were excited about. They said they could sleep better, they felt more energetic throughout the day, their joint pains reduced, so they could go for a walk.
Researchers have found that eating a big breakfast and light dinner promotes weight loss and reduces risks for diabetes, heart disease, and high cholesterol. Professor Daniela Yakubovich Tel Aviv University study confirmed that the time of day we eat has a significant impact on how our bodies process food. To study how this timing affects our bodies, Professor Daniela's team had put 93 obese women into 2 different groups. Big breakfast group consumed 700 calories at breakfast, 500 at lunch and 200 at dinner. Big dinner group consumed 200 calories at breakfast, 500 at lunch and 700 at dinner. The 700-calorie meals, whether eaten for breakfast or dinner, contained the exact same foods. The women in the big breakfast group lost, on average, 17.8 pounds and 3 inches from their waist. The women in the big dinner group, on the other hand, only lost 7.3 pounds and 1.4 inches from their waist. Additionally, the women from the big breakfast group had larger decreases in insulin, glucose and triglyceride levels. The reason behind this is again circadian rhythm, which controls our body clock. When eat like this, then you are actually aligning your meals with your circadian rhythm.
Drinking 12 to 14 glasses of water daily can help in weight loss and is good for your overall health.
In terms of how much water should you drink a day, an easy goal is that your urine should kind of look like water. The moment your urine starts to get deep yellow in color, it's your body telling you that your urine is very concentrated and that you need to be drinking more.
Frequent eating is one of the most helpful and effective habits in your fight to lose weight and maintain your overall health. Rajuta Divakar, who is India's top dietitian, Dr. Pamela Popper, one of the top nutritionists in the United States, and many other doctors recommend this.
A 9 to 5 kind of a job, which is never 9 to 5, it's more like 9 to 9, then you will need at least 5 to 6 meals because you have to be nutritionally equipped to deal with the work that you're doing.
Eat snacks in between meals, and the reason they do this is they're hungry. And people don't like being hungry. I know this is true for me. When I'm hungry, I'm not happy, and I get increasingly unhappy until I get food. Assuming that hungry people are eventually going to eat something, I think it's better to plan to eat rather than waiting until hunger drives you to make poor last-minute choices.
Your goal should be to be more fit and not just lose weight. To be fit, you can adopt any form of exercise which you like personally. Even walking itself is very effective.
Did you know walking 30 to 60 minutes a day is recommended for health and weight management? In fact, a brisk walk beats gym exercise and sports for staying slim.